Hello and welcome to WPForms. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom HTML code snippets to your contact form by using the WPForms plugin. Adding custom HTML to your form is a great way to get creative and take your forms to the next level. WPForms already allows you to create powerful custom forms without any code by using our drag and drop builder, but if you're an advanced user or a web developer, adding in your own custom HTML to your form can make them look even more advanced by expanding their functionality and help the form stand out even more. Without further ado, let's get started. After logging into your WordPress site, we'll first go to the plugins page and install WPForms to your site. If you haven't done so already, you can download the plugin from the Downloads tab in your WPForms account area. If you don't have a WPForms account yet, you can go to wpforms.com/YouTube to get 50% off your purchase. We can head back to our WordPress site, and on the plugins page, we'll click on the Add New button on the top left corner, and then click on the Upload a Plugin button. We'll then choose our file, select WPForms, and activate it once it's done installing. Afterwards, we'll need to verify your copy of WPForms by entering the license key in the Settings page. You can find the key on the Downloads page of your WPForms account, and once the license key has been verified, we can head into the Form Builder by clicking on the Add New tab on the left side. WPForms comes with lots of different form templates to get you started as quickly as possible, so you can select any of the available options you see here and customize them as you see fit. But if you want to create a form entirely from scratch, you can do that too. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and use the simple contact form template as a base. You can customize the form template in a few different ways. You can add new fields by clicking and dragging them from the left panel over to the right, arranging the existing order of the fields by clicking and dragging them around, or deleting them entirely by hovering over one and clicking on the red trash can icon when it appears. To add HTML to your form, you'll first need to add an HTML field. You can find this field under the Fancy Fields section on the left. Click and drag it over to the right and place it wherever you want in the form. You can then click on the field and either type in or paste your HTML code into the code field. When you're done, click on the Save button on the top right corner, and that's all it takes to add HTML directly into your contact form. You can add as many HTML fields to your form as you'd like to completely customize your form and add elements like images, YouTube videos, add links to external websites, and more. Now that our code has been added, we're ready to set up our notification and confirmation settings. We'll click on the Settings tab on the left, and we'll first click on Notifications. The admin email in the Send to Email Address field refers to the admin email address for your WordPress website, so if you'd like the notification to go to a different email address, you can make that change in this field here. If you'd like the user to receive a copy of this same notification email, you can use the smart tag that belongs to the email field in your form. Click on the Show Smart Tags text on the top right corner of this field, and then click on the option that says Email. You'll then see the smart tag that corresponds to the email field in your form. Just be sure to separate each smart tag or manually entered email address in this field with a comma. Next, you can customize the subject line for the notification email, as well as the name the email will say it's from. You can enter an email address in the Reply To field if you would like for users to be able to reply to this email. Finally, in the message portion, you can include a custom message if you'd like, or you can leave it blank. The All Fields smart tag that appears by default just means that the message portion of this email will contain all of the filled-in fields that the user submitted in your form. Once these settings are configured, let's set up our confirmation settings. You can choose between 3 different options that the user will see after they've submitted the form: Message, Show Page, or Go to URL. The Message option will display any message that you write in this available text field. The Show Page option allows you to select an existing page on your site, like a thank you page or something similar, that will be displayed after the user clicks on the Submit button. And the Go to URL setting will redirect a user to a different website entirely. Once we're done, we're going to save our changes, and we're ready to add our contact form to our site. Go to your dashboard and click on Pages, Add New, and let's add a title. From there, we'll click on the plus icon below the title and click on the Browse All option to find WPForms, or you can type WPForms in the available search bar. We'll then click on our contact form, hit Publish, and we're all set. You now know how to add custom HTML to your WordPress forms. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, please go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WP Forms through our how-to videos and more.